Love bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, endures all things. Love never ends.
Forever seems like a long time, but nothing seems like a long time when I'm with.
Marriage is like twin columns that stand apart, not leaning on another, but giving love a firm foundation of freedom and trust. Marriage is having someone to share your dreams with, someone to live your life with, and someone to walk and talk with through the years. Someone who will stand beside you, whose hand will guide you through good and bad times, happiness and sorrow. A life of love together, a love that spans forever. May your love be modern enough to survive the times and be old-fashioned enough to survive forever.
It doesn't look like much, but it sure feels like a lot. Let her take my heart and take my hand. Take my heart and take my hand. Take my heart and take my hand again and again. Right where we stand.
It's my absolute pleasure to call both of you my friends. Al, I love you dearly.
I never really know what love is, but whatever it is, I feel it in your kiss. You waltzed in like somebody planned it all. I feel right where I belong. My knees are weak, my heart is strong. So give me your word, and I'll give you all I got. No, we don't have much, but it sure feels like a lot.
When he decided that he wanted to tell me that he liked Simone, and Simone wanted to tell me that she liked Al, I'm like, why don't you guys just tell each other? I don't need to be here. And from that, this came. I don't think I could be any happier to have been there to know that this was going to happen. Al, you've chosen so wisely.
Take my heart